Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun on a Monday. Let's look at end. End. The end of something. When something stops. Going along, stop. The time when things are completed. Or 100%. There we are, 100%. Completed, finished, done. Where does it end? I have, okay, let's change that. Hold on. I have been walking a lot. Where does this path end? Where does it stop? Where does it stop? Yeah. So we've been going along here, going along there. Where does it end? Where does it stop? This ends when you want it to. This will stop when you want it to. Yeah, so this only ends when they say so. This thing, this party, this event, this meeting, it'll end. It'll be completed 100% when you say it. When you want it to be. And look, singular, end, one end, and plural, ends. This ends when you want it. Can you find the end of the trail? All these different ends, the stops, are all over the place. How cool is that? That was the end. That was the end of the story. That was strange. That was the end of the show. That came fast. That was the end. I did not expect that. I did not expect that. That was the end of the show, the movie, the book, the story. I didn't see that coming. Okay, the end, when it stops. I'm looking for the ending. So looking for the ending. Where's the ending? Ending of the story. The end of the line. We're looking for the ending. We can't find it. Maybe it's somewhere in the documents or the files. Somewhere in the film, we're looking for the ending. Or the ending was boring. The ending was boring. The way it ended was not, well, it was boring as well. It was boring. 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 The way it stopped, the way it ended was boring. We searched, looked. We searched, but there was no end in sight. It just kept going and going. There was no end. There was no end. It kept going. No end. Forever. There is no end. It will keep going forever. That's it. There is no end. Just keep going. And going and going and going and going and going. There's no end in sight. There is no end. No end. No end in sight. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorer? So, end. So, can you write your own sentence with end? Can you write a sentence? Can you use it in a sentence? Comment below. And subscribe to the channel, because you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. There's plenty more videos to come, more courses on their way. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.